How to use YouTube Premieres for new videos. So first of all, open your YouTube Studio, and then from here tap on the create button right here. Then select the video that you want to create, upload just like this. And after doing that, now what you're gonna do is fill out all of the video metadata like your title, description, thumbnail, and playlist. After doing that, you can tap on next, then proceed through the video elements and check screens by clicking next. On the visibility tab, the final step that you want to do is select schedule. After setting your desired date and time for the video to go live, what you're going to do is check for the box that says set as premiere. After doing that, click on set up premiere right below the checkbox to customize your countdown theme. After doing that, the countdown duration would be about 1 to 5 minutes, or add a live trailer. After doing that, all you need to do is click on schedule or publish in the bottom right corner, and that is how you'll be able to use your YouTube Premieres for new videos. And that's it.